So what I really needed to know was this, like made in Thailand. That was very important for me. The factor was very important, and so here it is, sealed, and that's gonna come out an E-mount full frame, 35mm. That's a 90mm. That's SONY 90mm28G here, and I hope you can see this. And this it is here, 35mm. Yep, 35mm full frame lens. Here we have a warranty card. This is a 2-year warranty from date of purchase. Okay, so you gotta keep this safe. I guess we have to keep this safe. This is November 2021, valid up to. Okay, gotta keep this, and some instructions. And this is a little book. I have no idea how many languages are these. No idea. What I'm more excited about is this guy. There you go. Safe to say, here it is. I hope you guys are again excited about this thing as much as I am. I mean, I am. So let's get this everything out, and here it is. As you can see, but really nice lens hood, well packed. That's gonna make a huge size out of it. Let's mount this up. Yeah, that's a mirrorless 90mm. There you go. I've been waiting for this for a very long time, like literally a very long time. And here you go. It's a full frame. It's a 28 to 25, and it is optical steady shot. And here you go. Mirrorless camera. I'm gonna just mount this up, and there's an E mount. I'm gonna keep it here. So there you go. I'm gonna mount this up to my most. There you go. And this is ready. I'm so happy with this, and I'm really happy, and I cannot wait for, to see how it's gonna go.